Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to get dynamic zoom effect on DaVinci Resolve 16. Really easy and simple to do. So you just need to make sure that you add a clip to your timeline like I have right here, and then just head over to the edit tab. So it's just the third tab on the bottom, and then you'll be where I'm at right now. So very important that you do that. And then once you get that done, you can just click on your clip, just like I have here. So you see this red border around it, and then you can go over to the inspector tab in the top right, and then you'll see a ton of editing options essentially. If you scroll down, you'll see the only one off is the dynamic zoom. So you just want to click on the gray circle just to make sure it's red and enabled. And then you can just double click on it and it'll open up a drop down menu with your option to change what kind of zoom you have. So you just click on this and you have four options. You have linear, ease in, ease out, and ease in and out. So totally up to you. For this video's sake, I'll just do ease in and ease out. So let's click on that. And then if you go to the video and play it, you'll know it has this really cool zoom effect. So let's check it out. Looks really good. You guys might not notice it because I might be lagging because I am screen recording, but I assure you that this will look great on your screens when you play around with the dynamic zoom. I hope I was able to help you guys out with this video. If I was, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.